Does antibody response affect flu vaccine efficacy? Imagine your immune system as a highly trained security team. When you get a flu vaccine, it trains this team to recognize specific parts of the influenza virus. The main goal is to produce antibodies, which are like specialized security guards that can identify and neutralize the virus before it causes illness. The strength and quality of this antibody response are crucial in determining how well the vaccine protects you. When you receive a flu shot, your immune system responds by creating antibodies targeting key viral proteins, especially hemagglutinin. These antibodies act like keys that fit into the virus and prevent it from infecting your cells. Scientists often measure these antibodies using tests called hemagglutination inhibition titers. Generally, higher antibody levels mean better protection against the flu. Research shows that people with higher antibody levels after vaccination tend to be better protected. For example, children often need 2 doses to build enough antibodies for strong protection. Older adults sometimes have weaker antibody responses, which is why flu vaccines might be less effective for them. Interestingly, vaccines made without eggs, called non-egg-based vaccines, can sometimes produce broader and stronger antibody responses compared to traditional egg-based vaccines. This is because egg-based vaccines can sometimes develop small changes, called mutations, that make the antibodies less effective against circulating viruses. The flu virus is constantly changing through a process called antigenic drift. Small mutations can make the virus different enough that the antibodies produced by the vaccine don't recognize it as well. That's why matching the vaccine to the circulating strains each year is so important. In people with weaker immune systems, like the elderly or those with chronic health conditions, the antibody response may not be as strong, which can lead to lower vaccine effectiveness. It's also good to know that getting other vaccines, such as COVID-19 boosters, alongside the flu shot doesn't seem to interfere with antibody production. In fact, some studies suggest it might even help maintain antibody levels longer. While antibodies are a key part of protection, other parts of the immune system, like cellular immunity, also play roles in fighting the flu. Scientists are continually working to improve vaccines to generate stronger antibody responses. This includes developing new vaccine technologies that avoid mutations caused by egg production and tailoring vaccines for specific groups of people. In summary, the antibody response is a major factor in how well a flu vaccine works. When your body produces a strong, targeted antibody response, you are more likely to be protected against the flu. Conversely, weaker or mismatched antibody responses can reduce the vaccine's effectiveness. It's always best to talk with healthcare professionals about the most suitable vaccination strategies for your individual health needs.